Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a real life microphone sound test of the Realme Buds Q2. So these are noise cancelling earbuds, in-ear earbuds, which are good with a lot of bass. So the last version had a lot of bass into it. So these are bass focused earphones. So we'll be talking about the sound signature later on, but this video is specifically for microphone sound test. So we'll be testing it in different scenarios. Like right now, I'm on the bike, so we'll be testing wind sound. We'll be testing if it actually fits inside a helmet properly or not, and how's the sound going to be inside a helmet, and all these things in case you want to use it for traveling and all those purposes. So let's go ahead, start the test, and then see how good the microphone sound quality is going to be. Windy.
Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you'll get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on. Now the earbud is inside, so you will not be getting too much of the wind sound. But now the helmet itself echoes the sound, and the secondary mic catches it, and there's a lot of disturbance. So to bring that down, that key is you will have to speak a little softer, or just open up the visor. So with that, the echo goes less a little bit, but I mean there's still echo, but it's still much better than the closed scenario. So hopefully I'm audible. Okay, so we're doing the traffic sound test now. So I am next to Chili Mall. A lot of traffic here, lot of mountains, lot of vehicles. A little bit of wind coming from this side because this is the one which is using the mic. The other one is just using the sound. So this is the kind of sound that you'll get when you are in traffic situation. Hopefully my sound is clear. The traffic sound will come in a little bit, but should not be overpowering, and I mean it's not be too overpowering that you cannot hear. Okay, so we're doing the wind sound test now. So we're using the microphone on the earbud. So the left one is activated right now. So this is where the sound. That's where. Okay, so that's where the sound is coming from. So hopefully with twin mic system where one is used for noise cancellation, one is for your voice, you do get this big problem with wind. So the wind actually blocks out most of the sound that even the main mic gets. So hopefully you can hear me. Okay, so you've seen the video. Now let's talk about the mic sound quality. So the mic sound quality is good in silent situation when you're inside the house and all, no issues. When you go out where there's a lot of wind, then the wind sound is going to block out everything. You will not be able to hear your sound at all. When you go into traffic situation, there's a little bit of sound which is cancelled, but not much. So now this is an average performer, but then this is not meant to compete with the high-end ones where they go into higher frequencies. This is just 25 dB, which is the lowest ones that you can find. So this is a good purchase for this price. So you get a noise cancelling option, which is good enough. Now let's talk about the speaker sound quality. So this is a bass-focused earbud, which I really like. The sound quality of this is very nice. I'm a bass head, so for me, this is my favorite. I have the Air 2 also. This is the Q2. So the Air 2 is 1,000 rupees expensive than this, but I still like this better than that, even though that is more premium. But it cannot compete with the kind of bass this one gives and the noise isolation this has. So this actually, the entire sound that you're hearing right now is from this mic itself. So that's the sound. Now when I wear this, this is going to block the entire ear. so the entire ear is blocked. So the noise isolation is good. Combined with the noise cancellation, the sound that you get is very, very good. So I can increase the bass. I can select the bass plus option in the sound setting, and that will give me more low end bass. So if I'm going to the gym or walking or any of these scenarios where I want to enjoy my music with a lot of bass, I always go for this now. So I have a lot of other ones, you've seen that, but this is my current favorite. Now let's talk about the battery life. So the battery life on this is also pretty good. So it gives you 7 hours of battery life. So that is actually very good for this kind of earphone. And even if you finish the battery, it gives you fast charging option. So you can charge it for 10 minutes and it gives you 3 hours of battery life. So that's what I like. So it's an all-rounder good mic, actually average mic, good sound quality for bass heads, and the battery life is excellent. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.